Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the things to do in a particular destination that you select on the Klook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side and click on the things to do section at the top. After that, you should select your destination, so tap on choose destination. Here you can find these recommendations, but you can also type in your own destination. And after that, tap on it. Here you can find a bunch of categories such as theme, water, boat tours, museums, walking, biking, vehicle tours, and so on. But as you scroll down, you can check out the recommendations here. You have a bunch of options. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in and you can check out the offers. Here you can find the options and you can book it if you tap on the book now button. Then you should select the package, then add the payment method, and then you can finalize the process of booking. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.